All right, man, I'm back at the BLM gun range, and I want to show you a couple things. This I thought was funny as shit. So anyways, I've been looking on YouTube, and I've seen a lot of videos on how to build your own target stand. Well, if you come out here to a gun range, there's nothing here, right? You got to bring everything with you. So you need to bring fire extinguisher, water, safety first. It's dry. You just got to do that. You need your own target stand. You need something to bring with you so you can mount targets on to shoot at. You don't want to shoot at bottles and cans on the ground. There's videos on YouTube showing you how to make one out of 2x4s, out of PVC. PVC is very expensive. 2x4s, it's easy, it's 90-degree cuts. Anybody can do it that's got a saw and screws and nails. But here's what I like. This right here is a target stand. Metal, got one moving part, or one adjustable part, and it stays on here, doesn't come off. This is adjustable. You want to make sure you get one that has adjustable widths on it, because you're going to put wood posts up here and here, and whatever you're mounting between there may not be the same every day, every week, every month that you come out. You want to be able to adjust it and lock it down. This thing here cost me $24, I want to say, and I think we're only into the first year of Bidenomics. I will have listings in the description of ones that are under $20, and I think for like $40 you can get 2 of them. There's all different kinds of ones, but the only thing I suggest, make sure it's adjustable. Now you need uprights. 1x2s at Home Depot. They're under $2 a piece. They come 8 foot long. This is cut to about 6 foot. That's all you really need. Cut it off. It fits in the back of your FJ, your car, your Prius, your truck, and save that 2 foot piece because we're going to use it later. Now this is a relatively new one. It's only got 2 hits on it, and I like to taper the ends of it because it makes it easier to insert. That's it. Okay, same thing here, except this one you can see has been hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's been hit a bunch. It's been piecemealed together. This might be a 2 foot piece off of the top of one of those first ones, or that might be. And that might be the bottom, because the bottoms don't get hit as often as the top. Save those, it saves you money, and who cares, because you're shooting at it anyways. Again, I like to taper the ends of it, both of them. You can do it with your knife if you come out and you forgot. Inside, there we go. This is where I see a lot of stupid stuff on YouTube. I'm going to simplify it for you and make it easy for maintenance and for your whole experience. You don't need a piece of plywood or wood behind here. This is floppy, flexible. That's okay. It comes out easily, so you can pack up and go home, right? See? All you want for across here is cardboard. Look at that size. That's a Dominos large pizza box. That's got 2 pieces of cardboard, top and the bottom. One up here, one down here. Lots of stuff to shoot at. If you're getting stuff off of Amazon, you should be. Go to my Amazon store, Uncle Fjester's. Buy something. The Amazon boxes are good. They go across here. You go to Costco, you know those little half boxes, little pallet things that they give you at the checkout? That's good for a background. But let me show you what I do not recommend you using. Look at that. Do not get these from your post office. They are free. I used this last time I was out here. This was, I think, my bottom piece. and a top piece. A lot of the videos on YouTube and even articles on the internet are using binder clips and clamps. You're gonna hit them. They're gonna break. They're gonna come off. Plus, for me, they're little bitty targets. If I come up to your target and you've got those expensive $4 clips holding it on there, I'm gonna shoot it off because I can. A T50 staple gun. They're $50. 1/2-inch staples. Watch how this works. 1 staple, 2 staples. It's all you need on that side. This is why they're adjustable. The medium flat rate boxes are a little bit narrower, as is Dominos. 1, 2, 3, 4 staples. Now look how solid that is. We need more targets. Looky here. Perfect size for your USPS, ISPC, CODIPRsvps boundaries, A-zone. It keeps getting better. I'm not done. I'm gonna keep making this better and better and better and better. You need targets. Go to Google. Google.com if you've never been there. Then at the top in search, you put in printable targets, free. Look at them all. Print them out at home on your home computer. If you work, print them out at your work computer. And I'm sorry if you're still working, but there's so many things out there that you can get. There's your alpha and your 8-inch circle, 3x5 box, all kinds of targets online. Pick what you like, print on both sides different things. It gives you more choices when you get to the range of what you want to shoot at and less pieces of paper to carry. Staple gun, not binder clips. Watch this. Four staples into double cardboard that's not coming off. 3 clean targets right across the top. Nice and solid. This is a clip. It goes in to your T50 staple gun. This is a follower. This is a magazine. So far, $24 for the stand, $2 a piece for those. $28. And here's what's cool. I got room for 3 more. 9 targets ready to be shot at. Those are the staples. 2 layers of cardboard. Easy to break it down. You just got staples through the cardboard into the wood. They pull out real easy. The plywood pulls out, lays everything down. I know you guys are all so obsessed with times. How many minutes or seconds does it take to set it up and break it down? So, let me show you what I do. There. Fold it in half so all the staples are on the inside. Targets are on the outside. And take it home with you. Save it for next time, or put it in your recycling bin at home. These here, 1 up, 2 up. You go back in your truck. It's that easy. This right here, boom, in the back of your FJ. What do you do if you don't have an FJ? You go buy one. Okay, so last 2 tips I'm going to give you. Everybody knows masking tape. You peel off a little nub, place it over the holes so you know where your new magazine, your new set of shots are coming from. With this, I don't have to really do that because I got a whole binder full of printable targets. 4 staples, it's on. I got a new clean thing. It takes less time than the masking tape. No, next to last tip. You want to keep from hitting the wood. So the more you can bring the targets inside where your bullseyes are, where you're going to be hitting your groups. These are all fine. Don't shoot at 1, 3, or 5 because you're going to destroy the wood. This is good. I've been able to reuse each priority mailbox twice per trip. I could probably use it more, but there's so many of them at the post office. Subscribe, bitch.